Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure platform tools are installed and USB debugging is enabled on the device. This is non-negotiable. Once done, connect with a working cable and pick a stable USB port. Now open a terminal and run a DB devices to see the list of devices attached. Note empty lines, offline, or unauthorized markers. If device appears, you can proceed. If not, move to the next step to diagnose drivers and authorization. You must interpret the state shown by a DB. Unauthorized means the phone blocked access, offline means a communication problem, and not listed implies driver or cable failure. First, revoke USB debugging authorizations on the device and reauthorize when prompted, because that often resolves unauthorized errors. Then on the computer, update or reinstall the OEM USB driver. Once applied, run a DB kill server and a DB start server to refresh the connection and rerun a DB devices to confirm. You finish by switching USB mode to file transfer and trying a different cable or port, since physical issues are common. Do this before deeper steps. Then run a DB kill server and a DB start server. If that fails, reboot the device and the PC to clear stuck states. If the problem persists, test on another computer to isolate the issue, or enable a DB over Wi-Fi as a temporary workaround. One troubleshooting tip. If authorization dialogues never appear, revoke USB debugging and toggle developer options to force a fresh prompt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.